How to create a Costco account. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Costco application or open up your browser. In the search bar, search for costco.com and then tap on account. Inside here, you will be able to find an option that says sign in or create an account. Tap on create account, and now on the next page, enter your email address, create a strong password, and fill in your personal information including your name and your phone number. If you are already a Costco member, you can simply enter email address and your password and then tap on sign in. If you are not a member, you can still create an online account, but you will need to purchase a Costco membership to access member-only pricing and benefits. After entering your information, review the details and then tap on create account or register. Once your account is created, verify your email address if prompted, then you can start shopping or managing your membership online. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.